Hello, we have the Telit Cinterion demo here with the Telit Bravo evaluation board, and we are running MicroEJ VEE on top of that, which allows to develop applications with cellular connectivity via 5G. And we are running a lightweight M2M stack to allow control of the device from the internet. So here we can see that we are capable of getting the temperature, the board temperature from the cloud, from the board, and we can also send commands to the device. Here we are showing a toggle of the LED. So, for example, here we have the evolution of the temperature. So the board is sending periodically its temperature to the cloud, and we can monitor that, trigger alerts, etc. And I can send a command to the device, and it will toggle the LED.